student from Almunawara Primary School. Today I am present automatic office bell system. This project is perfect for office and smart house. Whenever someone comes to the door, the bell will ring automatically. Let's dive into the project. For this project, we will need an Arduino Uno, an IR sensor to detect the motion at the wall, the ISD1820 voice recording module with speaker, 9 battery with battery kit, some jumpers wires, a USB cable. So we move on, let us understand the ISD1820 voice recording module in detail. This is the onboard microphone used to record your voice. VCC and GND pins provide power to the module. SP plus and SP minus pin should be connected to the speaker. Press and hold this recording button to record your message. You will speak into the microphone while holding Ayman Robotic. Press this play key button to play the recorded message in a jitter mode. It's play once with each press. This play button plays the message in level trigger mode. Keep playing as long as you press and hold it. You can record up to 10 seconds of audio on module. Now let's assemble the circuit. Connect the VCC and the pins of the IR sensor to the Arduino I/O and LED. The out pin connect to digital into Arduino Uno. The ISD1820 module VCC and GND also connect to the 5V and GND in Arduino Uno. Connect the SP plus and SP minus into the loudspeaker. Pin the ISD1820 module connect to digital pin 3 on Arduino Uno. REC recording pin connect to the digital pin on Arduino Uno. Make sure to the double check here with the circuit diagram. Now our circuit is ready. When we need to head to the code. Download the code files given in the description below. Open the code file if you are already downloaded the Arduino IDE. And now with everything connected and code uploaded, now upload the code to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino Uno to the computer using the USB cable. Then select port and board. In the same menu and select Arduino Uno. Now upload the code by clicking the upload button. Now everything connect and code loaded. Press the record button to record a customer alert. Ensure you are speaking near the ISD1820 microphone. Now fasten the IR sensor in the speaker. In this way, by making a fist-type structure so that is looks presentable. That's how our project works, as the IR sensor triggers by placing an object or picking under the record message will play through the speaker. Thanks for watching my videos.